It's a man's world. It's a man's world. But it won't be nothing, nothing without a woman or a girl. Am I right? You see, man made the car to take us over the road, and man made another train to carry a heavy, heavy load. Man made the electric light to take us out of the dark, and man made the boat like Noah made the ark. It's a man's world, but it won't be nothing without a woman or a girl. You gotta be fortunate. You gotta be lucky now. I was just sitting here thinking about good and bad. You see, I'm the kind of woman I was built to last. They tried to erase me, but they can't take away my past. It's a woman's world. This is my world. You can't deliver love in a man's world. A without a woman or